Welcome to AI Tech Hub. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use ChatGPT to speed up your content creation process. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or content creator, this tool can save you hours of time and effort. Let's get started. Step 1 is getting started. Head over to OpenAI's website and log into ChatGPT. If you don't have an account yet, it's free to sign up. Once you're in, you'll see a simple chat interface where you can type any prompt. Step 2 is idea generation. Stuck on what to write about? Ask ChatGPT. For example, type in something like, "Give me 5 blog post ideas about digital marketing." Within seconds, you'll have a list of fresh ideas to choose from. Step 3 is drafting your content. You can use ChatGPT to write full paragraphs, social media posts, or even entire articles. Just type a prompt like, "Write a 200-word introduction on the benefits of AI in content creation," and watch ChatGPT create a high-quality draft in seconds. Step 4 is refining your content. ChatGPT can also help with editing. Paste your draft and ask, "Can you improve this text?" It will suggest edits to make your writing clearer and more engaging. Bonus tip, you can repurpose content easily. Ask ChatGPT to turn a blog post into a social media caption or summarize a long article into key bullet points for quick reading. And that's how you use ChatGPT for fast content creation. It's an amazing tool to save time and spark creativity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to AI Tech Hub for more AI tips and tools. See you in the next video.